Hi, I'm Dan with Cali Raised, and today we are going to be showing you how to remove the 6th gen 4Runner bumper. To get started on removing the front bumper, what you're going to do is pop the hood. The latch for that is under the left-hand side of the dash, and then you're going to have a couple of grommets and screws to take out, and we'll go from there. Next, we're going to remove the plastic cowling in the front of the engine, one for the intake, one on the radiator. What you're going to do is press down on these clips and just pull it out. I'm going to do the same thing on the radiator. And then lift this out, careful not to lose your grommets. And you're done. Next, we're gonna disconnect these two connectors for the wiring harness. You may wanna use a screwdriver just to push this pin back to make it a little bit easier to unplug. You can do the same thing on this white one. And there you go. To start removing the side, you have a handful of bolts on that liner here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts that you're going to be undoing on the side. We're going to be popping the side out after we go ahead and undo these plastic clips in here. Next, we're going to undo this screw. What we did on the driver's side, we're going to go ahead and repeat on the passenger side by removing those bolts I showed you before, the two plastic clips, popping out the bumper, and then removing the screw on this side as well. Last, we're going to go ahead and remove these 3 bolts holding the bumper on. We'll just pull it off. And that's how you remove the 6th gen 4Runner front bumper. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Cali Raised LED's YouTube channel, as well as visiting CaliRaisedLED.com.